much for subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much for all your love and support. So as you see the title, it's about makeup products which is from the inside, especially only the brand inside. So I am not going to put any animations here, okay? Because I am not that good in editing. Whatever I know, I'm doing it in the YouTube, and whatever I have learned, that much only I'm using and implementing. I know I have to learn more. So as if you see this top, I'll tell you where I got this one. This is from Mumbai Hill Road. I have done the vlog also when I went for JK's exhibition, which is held in Mumbai, India. So let me get into the vlog. Before going into the vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel, do follow my Instagram page, and like, share, and comment. Okay, this is the biggest box. I got it from inside. I think there is not much collection inside, and as I said earlier, also I got this package from very long back. It's almost very long.
That was a long time ago.
In the month of April first week, March last week, I didn't get a chance to make a vlog. Now it is a time for me to make it because offers are going on in every apps and websites. And if you want very good products from inside, you have to go directly in the website and have to like purchase it, because you'll get a coupon, you'll get a freebies and everything. So let me unbox this makeup products and show you what I got it. Okay, one by one. So let me show you the first product is the foundation, which I really liked it. In previous vlogs, in somewhere in the vlog, I have mentioned that I got a inside foundation which is really good. It's a skin tinted 5-in-1 foundation which I got earlier in the shade of cappuccino. But this cappuccino is little grayish, like little grayish. It's fine for me, so that I can adjust with the compact powder and everything. Now I got the shade of, what is this, hazelnut soft, and it's exactly like my skin tone, literally my skin tone. If you see my makeup, I already used it. So to want to show you this, you see the shade, and this shade is little. And one more problem with this product is that you see it is leaking. Once you open it, it is leaking. So they have to fix this issue. So this is the product I got it, and I'm telling you, I got this product around 3 products for 999. I'm telling you very clearly on this. Sometimes they keep 3 products for 799, or sometimes 699, or 599, or 1299, something like that. You have to check out the website, and you get a freebies as well. You get sometimes the coupons where you can claim it up. So think about it and order it. Getting hurry burry and applying, buying from other apps, better you go directly in the website. So this is the 5-in-1 multifunctional serum foundation, which is really good. If you see my makeup, I usually don't use foundation that much, but this foundation is the best for daily wear, and I don't feel so much heavy on my face, and it feels like I'm just applying a moisturizer and base powder. That's it. So it's really definitely good to go for college students, especially, or any employees who are hurry burry, don't want to do much makeup, don't waste the time, and in the morning times before going to the job. So this is the bestest one, and I'm telling you, every bloody shade is Indian skin tone shade, like brown shade, the best. I think who are watching my videos, I think some of my family friends are watching it, and some of my relatives are watching it, and they are asking me about a budget friendly foundation, come serum, come, and everything, come. So this is the best one. You can try it up, and it won't cost you more than, how much it is, 300 rupees. If you buy bulk, definitely it won't cost 300 also. So this is the shade. These are the 2 shades. I'll play around and do it. One is, I got it, is a Inside Pro professional, professional liquid highlighter, as I mentioned earlier my previous vlog about the Swiss Beauty. And this is also very good highlighter. I'm telling you, I got this in the Starry Light. There is another two also. I don't remember the name, but definitely I'll try to post it here. And this is the one which I got it for. It is actually price is 499, but you can get in the 999 one whenever you try to buy from the. And it's too much product inside, like it's too much. Like if you see, I think they have to start change the product how to get out, because this tube is like literally so much messy. The product is good, but it's so much messy. Let me show you that once again. Little, I use very little highlighter. I don't use much highlighter, but I'll show you how it looks. See, that's very small amount. You know, I use this type of professional liquid highlighters in little foundation, mix it up and then apply, so that it looks very shiny and dewy and everything. This one is also, I did the same way, so with this foundation. So this is the highlighter, I really got it, and you can buy it up. And if you want to apply, you can apply a little bit like this. I have applied here previously in my makeup. So little on the nose, little on the chin. If you want, you can apply on cheeks bones also. I apply here also, so that my forehead is a very big, so I feel like to have a little shiny. Anyway, मेरी life तो brightest नहीं है, at least मेरा forehead तो brightest बन जाए इसी. So I do funny jokes on myself. I know it won't crack much, but definitely. And मैंने apply किया है, I already applied it, so that's why. Product I got it is a brow tattoo. Usually I use brow tattoo, maybe line one, like a eyebrows filler. When you are having a very light eyebrows and you really want to fix it up, and do a pencil first or powder first, then make it so that it stands for whole day, 24 hours until you wash it up. And this one is a brown shade, smudge free brown shade. There is a black, no, there is not black, there is a gray one which doesn't suits for Indian skin tones. I think brown Indian skin tones. If you are a fair person and your hair is little grayish, then might be suits. But this one is correct shade for me. So I apply little powder in the gaps, and then I'll take this one. And it's too much product inside. As because of it is weather of summer, it is getting melted everything. Usually it should not, but it's okay. This is the brush, if you can see, it looks like this. You have to fill the eyebrows, and if you have a dark eyebrows, you no need a pencil or powder to fill it up. This is the bestest one. Just do it and go it. Best thing, like best ever thing. And this is 200 rupees. As I said earlier, I got four products in 999. Let me show you another two products which are newly launched in Inside, which I really liked it. I have seen so many in Instagram reels. Many of the influencers are like doing a vlogs and reels, short reels on that. So these are the two matte mood Inside makeup essential lipsticks, and it is with the rose ship oil and jojoba oil. And I'm telling you, I really like these two shades, if you can see it. And let me open this. Before opening it, I'll let you know what is the price of this. This is 199. It means 200 rupees. Worth it, worth it. And I got two shades, which is nutmega and hot haze. These two shades I don't have actually. I have a similar but exactly. So I really want to try on my lips, because I am not much into makeup person. But if you see this combo, I have just applied lip oil. Lip oil, yes, Swiss Beauty's lip oil, which I have used. So this is the packaging, and it's a matte finishing. If you see it, wow, I really loved it. I smell first. Oh, it's like that candy type. कैंडी वाला जो मार्शमेलो का स्मेल रहता है ना, वैसे वाला है. एंड आई विल शो यू द कलर. Exact brown shade color. If you see it, like wow. I can't apply on this because it's already there, but I can show it up. And let me show you this. Here the squash, if you are a white skin. The best color ever. And once it get dry, it will stay longer. shinier. Okay, let me show you here. Shiny, matte, and it's not like chip or sticky or dry. So the best. And I'll show you the hot haze one also. I didn't use these products until now, but the foundation I used, the highlighter I used, but rest of the makeup products I didn't use it because I want to do it in front of you. That's why. And this is brightest red, I think, somewhere matte mode. It's also candy only. So let me show you here. This one. This is a brown skin, and it exact reddest maroon, not bright red, not dark maroon, something mixed up with a little pinky shade. And let me show you here with the white skin, if you see it. Okay, let me close this and show you that. Very good product, and I really liked it. It's not too bright, too maroonish or too pinkish, but it's a perfect for Indian brown skin tone, especially when you're having any functions or anything. This is the best color on the Indian attire as well. You can try it up, and it costed around 199. So for 400 rupees, I paid actual price for that because it's a new collection. Now coming to these products, these two also, these three also, I got it. I removed the box because I really want to try this color because I was going some function, so definitely I want to try it up. That's the reason I removed it. But these are the three same products. This is gloss up. This is also a new collection. And but the thing is that I got for 6,999, I think, this product, exactly, if I'm not wrong. No, not for 6,999, 499. Yes, 500 rupees, because I got 100 rupees off. Actual price is 199. It means like 6 3 3 2 the 6. I'm very weak in mathematics. Please don't ask me all these things. Okay, I will tell you what exactly price and what I got it for this. ऐसे मत पूछना कि मेरे को एकदम से हेडेक आ जाता है. मेरे को इवन एसएससी में भी मेरे को तेलुगु में 99 आया है, मैथ में मेरे को 98 आया है. सो डेफिनेटली I am very weak in mathematics. That's why I will always stuck with the financial issues. So these are the colors I got it. It is called actually Gloss Up Vinyl Lip Color. Hmm. Okay. I don't know what is this shade, and one is Scarlet Desire, and the other is Sweet Penny Spiced Caramel. This spiced caramel, many people are saying it suits for dark skin tone and light skin tone, for every type of skin tone. Let me show you that first, or should I show you this one which I already used? Let me show you which I already used one. This is the Scarlet Desire, and it's a plum shade. Like, I, as I said earlier, and who are already following me, they know me very well. I love plum shade, and this is the shade. This is different, this is different. See, it's like literally red and mix, but it's different, and I really like this color. इसे इसे स्क्रैच करते करते मेरे पूरे हाथ पे आ जाएगा अब, अगर मैं लिपस्टिक का कलेक्शन स्टार्ट करूंगी तो. So let me show you the actually famous one which is going trendy in the Instagram reels. That is this spiced caramel. मैंने इतना डार्क कलर कभी यूज नहीं किया है, बट डेफिनेटली मैं यूज करना चाहती हूँ. इट इज समथिंग लाइक अ ब्राउन शेड. यहाँ पे मैं ट्राई करूंगी. एक्चुअली इट इज अ डाइली वेयर कलर. Oh, let me show you here then again. Wow. Hmm. It smells so sweet. It's really a good shade, यार. Nice shade. Daily wear के लिए तो ये बहुत बेस्ट कलर है, I think, because I never use this color. This is the very first time I'm using. I felt like ये बहुत dark हो जाएगा for my face skin tone. I felt like it will be a too dark, too bold for me, but no, it's actually a daily wear color. And this is called Sweet Penny, and little pinkish, because I don't have a little pinkish color in my entire collection of lip balms or lipsticks or lip liner. So definitely I really want to take one, because sometimes you have to go out of line, out of circle, and try everything on your many people say, influencers, makeup artists say brown color is a beautiful color skin tone, and I never be confident on my skin tone. Until today also I'm not 100% confident. I don't know why. I feel like I might look like a joker. So, but still, I'm trying to get it as because of you guys, because of this YouTube and everything. I'm trying and making myself confident and trying new things. So, definitely, it's all because of you. And thank you so much for all this love and support. And the people who are watching me, even my family members, my friends who are also supporting me, thank you so much for that. And let me show you this color. I तो मैं यहाँ पे कर सकती हूँ ना? You are okay with it, right? Yeah. Wow. This pink is similar to my lip oil, like PHP color. I am not good in scratching, okay? I am being the way I am. मैं जैसी हूँ वैसे ही रह के मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ because लोग थोड़ा effort करते नहीं आता मेरे को. I am very rustic, raw person. मैं जैसे ही वही से ही बात करती हूँ. मेरे को थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग बोले थे कि इन सम सर्टेन सिचुएशंस यू हैव टू चेंज एंड टॉक. आई एम ट्राइंग दैट. डेफिनेटली आई हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट. बट ऐसे वाले चीजों में ना यू हैव टू वेरी क्लियर, लाइक यू कांट ब्लफ अराउंड विद द पीपल हु आर वाचिंग यू एंड ट्रस्टिंग यू एंड बाइंग द प्रोडक्ट. सो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. दिस पिंक इज रियली गुड. आई थिंक इट सूट्स माई skin tone also. Yeah, so this is costed for 199. For today this is the vlog which is all the makeup essentials. I got it for myself, so definitely you go and check it out in the website only, which is actually website of Inside. Try it up from there instead of buying some other apps. I know I'm not saying that other apps don't give you any offer, but they give you freebies, but different one. But if you buy in the same product, you'll get a same product freebie. You never know, you might get surprised by these products. Inside and Swiss Beauty, definitely they might surprise you with one of your favorite products. So that's all for today. So this is Nazia signing off. Before signing off, I'll let you know, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow my Instagram page, like, share, and comment, and do follow it. And until the next time, this is Nazia signing off.